Very good evening all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited. This session is about the market closing analysis, how the market was closed today, and weekly expiry, how the market reacts to the weekly expiry, and whether the support have taken or resistance have taken, and what are the sectors have moved towards positive, that is bullish and bearish trend. Like this thing we are going to discuss in this session. Then let us see in this session. So Nifty Future morning we have told that 25 points of gap up opening, that is flat gap up opening we have seen in Nifty Future, and Bank Nifty Future, if you see, around 70 points of flat gap up opening we have seen in Bank Nifty Future. But morning itself I have told you that Bank Nifty is strong move compared to Nifty Future. The same thing was happened till the closing also, because you see Bank Nifty Future was closed around minus 0.38%, but Nifty Future is closed around minus 0.70%. So the Nifty Future is strong bearish rally towards the lower end. But Bank Nifty Future, if you see, it's not that much bearish compared with Nifty Future. Okay, but Nifty Future, if you see, 18,045 it was open today morning and went high up to the level of 18,099, nearly 54 points of move upward. Then from there 18,099 till after 10 o'clock, likewise the market was crashed to the level of nearly 17,866 is the low. So from 18,099, so nearly 200 points or 230 points of fluctuated downside we are seeing from the upper 18,099 level. If you see about the Bank Nifty movement, morning it was started 41,519 and went high up to the level of 41,855, nearly 360 points, 370 points of move upward. From there it gone to down to the level of 41,190, nearly 650 to 700 points out down the line we are seeing in Bank Nifty Future. Whether support or resistance have taken in this, if you see, yes, because morning itself I have clearly told you that if the Nifty Future is breaking the level of 18,147, the resistance, then only it will go up to the level of 18,210 or 18,230 to 40 level itself. If it is not breaking the level of 18,147, then it is breaking the support level of 18,065, then we can expect the rally towards 17,980 or 17,930 level also, or 17,860 level also, a possible level in the morning itself I have told you. So the similar way, and also I have clearly told that we need to watch out this PDH and PDL, that is previous day high and previous day low and previous day close. I have morning told you. But here previous day high was not broken in Nifty Future, that is 18,110 is the previous day high, but it was not broken. 18,099 itself, it is given the reversal trend. But the previous day closes around 18,020 level. Yes, 18,020.40 is the previous day close, but it was broken up 18,020 level and crashed towards the level of 18,066. But here that support level is that 17,856 is that support is there. So from there 17,856 was not came to the level, and 17,866 is the low, and it was closed around 17,889 is the closing. So similar, the Bank Nifty Future also I have clearly told whether the support or resistance, if you take around 41,560 level, the support is the morning I clearly told you. If 41,560 was broken, then we can expect a rally towards 41,430 or 41,200 also a possible level in the morning I have told you. If the resistance was not broken, resistance I have clearly told you that 42,000, but it was not broken. From 41,855 itself it turned down to the level of 41,190. So the support level, whatever we have mentioned, it was broken, and it was to whatever the levels we have shared, in that level itself it was traded. So the double side movement we have seen in Bank Nifty and Nifty Future till the closing. Sometimes it went up to the level, minimum level, and it came down to the level likewise. So let us see the chart how the movement has happened today. Yes, I am sharing you now the Nifty Future chart now. For your reference, 15 minutes candle I am sharing you. Yes, and intraday chart. Yes, if you see here, this is the morning opening section, that is 18,045 is open and the low is around 18,042 and the high is around 18,099. Within 15 minutes itself, the level came to the level of 54 points of moved upward from the low. So next 15 minutes candle, if we are going for a trend analysis through candle based analysis, every day we are seeing that 15 minutes candle how the movement is giving. Likewise, if you see here, first 15 minutes candles high is 18,099 and low is around 18,042. But second 15 minutes candle, it was not broken the high, but it was broken the low. First candle's high, low. So here the low is around, second candle's low is around 18,012 is the low. So if the third candle is breaking the level of 18,012 and below, so then we can go for a short with the stop loss of 18,099. So if we are going for a short on the third candle itself, it given the level towards 17,866 is the low. So nearly from 18,010 to 17,866 the rally began, nearly 140 points. Likewise the movement have happened here. So this is of Nifty Future chart I am showing. After that some consolidation move have happened. Then after 145, the level is around 17,874. From there it went up to the level of 17,968, nearly 100 points moved upside, then closed towards nearly 100 points downward. So this kind of movement we have seen after 145. Some double side movement we are seeing after 130 to 145. Likewise when the European market start, because the European market was started at a little bit, that is flat green trend we have seen in European market, in some markets. So this is of Nifty Future chart, and Bank Nifty Future chart I will be showing you for your reference. This is of 15 minutes candle, and for your reference I am sharing you for intraday chart. Yes, for first 15 minutes candle, if you see the high is around 41,855 and second 15 minutes candle, that is first 15 minutes candle's low is around 41,519. But the second candle was not broken the high and also the low, but third candle was broken the low towards the level of 41,486 is the low. So from the fourth candle onwards, if the fourth candle or fifth candle, any candle is breaking the third candle low of 41,486, then we would have gone short at the level of 41,485 with the stop loss of 41,855, nearly 400 points around stop loss. For this kind of fluctuation will give more stop loss fluctuation values. So from 41,485 level, the level came down to the level of 41,190, nearly 300 points have given downside movement. So after that some consolidation have happened. From 41,190 it moved towards 41,459 again, then some consolidation towards 41,238. Then again it went up to the level of 41,549 and 41,597. After that the closing comes to the level of 41,287 level is the close. So this kind of volatility we have seen in Bank Nifty Future, and compared to Nifty, the more volatile we are seeing in Bank Nifty Future, but little bit strong also when compared with Nifty Future. Okay, what kind of movement we have seen in options trading today? If you see, if the option writers, that is call writers, have made a good profit, I am seeing in today's option, that is weekly expiry I am showing you. For example, I am showing you the chart of 17,800 Nifty call option for your reference. Yes, this is also 15 minutes candle, and intraday chart I am showing you how the option writer could have made the profit. For first 15 minutes candle, if you see, the open is 268 and high is 299 and low is 245. Second 15 minutes candle itself, low is 218. So if the option call writer have gone short at 218 level, then the closing come to the level of around 77 and the low till now is around 71. So nearly, if you see, 130, 180 points have moved towards the level in option writing if the option call writers have did today. And if you ask me about the put option buyers, yes, I am showing you put option also for your reference. For option buyers, how they can make profit today in this weekly expiry. Yes, this is the today intraday chart, that is 17,900 put option Nifty, and that was opened around 20 rupees and low is around 10.45 in first 15 minutes candle itself. Then the second 15 minutes candle was not broken the high and also the low, but the third 15 minutes candle, the high is around 33.5. If anybody is buying at the level of 33 to 35 itself, then the fourth candle given the high of 50, and at 11:15 it went up to the level of 75, nearly double the value. If someone would have bought at 40 rupees also, the investment would be 2,000 rupees and they can sell it out around 70 rupees, nearly 30 points of profit and nearly 1,500 rupees of profit itself. I am saying investment is around 2,000 but the profit can be 1,500, so nearly double. So this kind of fluctuation we are seeing not only one time, the two times he can able to book today. So here if the position is covered at 11:15 itself, then he would have an opportunity at 1 o'clock. The level of low is around 17.2. From there it went up to the level of 57.5. That is, if you would have bought at 20 rupees and cover it on 50, nearly, that is more than the double, he can able to make the profit. After the closing, nearly closing 230 itself, the low is around 30.05. From there it went up to the level of 24. That is from 3.05 is the low. From 3.05 it went up to the level of 24 it was made. So nearly, if someone would have invested around 150 rupees at 3 rupees or 200 rupees around at 4 rupees, if you see, then the value will be around 1,000 rupees he can able to get. This kind of buying opportunity in options, put option movement is showing. Then likewise Bank Nifty put option also 41,300 put option I am sharing you in this screen now. Yes, and opening itself 158.7 and open is the high 158.7 itself, and that's a 15 minutes candle high, but the low is around 42.15. in first 15 minutes candle the low is around 42.15. From there it went up to the level of, if you see, 263.95 is the high. Someone would have bought at around 200, they can cover it around 260, nearly 60 points he can able to cover it. Then likewise the same at the closing 230 itself, if the low is around 12 rupees and the high made at 3 o'clock is around 120. So nearly from 12 to 120, 10 times. So this kind of return is this weekly expiry options are given this opportunity now. So minimum level of capital with maximum level of profit, but we need to take that much of risk also is there in option segment. So coming to the point of any other news in market, if you see, yes, Reddington company and Google Cloud enter into tie-up. So today the Reddington movement I will tell you. Yes, Reddington is around 3.63% positive movement we have seen. The open is around 152.60 and high is around 159.60. This news have impacted this movement. Then MTAR Tech company wins large order worth rupees 540 crores. If you see about MTAR Tech is around 4.34% positive movement given today. The opening is around 1628 and the high is around 1710. So this movement also has an impact on market movement. Then Centrum gets a Zebu note to start PMS. Then Veranda learning company to raise rupees 300 crores via preferential issues. Then Bandhan Bank, if you see about Bandhan Bank, 46.75 crores worth of shares of NSE block trade happened at 15,19,340 348 shares at the rate of 307. So this is of Bandhan Bank, and PVR, if you see, big block has happened. It's around 895.47 crores for NSE and BSE block trade for 47 lakhs 34,590 shares at rupees 1891.35 rate. So, and also Manufra company promoters bought 2 lakh shares via open market, you see, and NCC block 15 lakh shares at 74.20, and Himadri Specialty League block 10 lakh shares at 103 rate. So this kind of news in this market we have seen today. And if you see about the top gainers and top losers of today is that Maruti Eicher Motor, it's around 2.63 and 2.77% positive. Adani Ports around 2.08 and Power Grid 1.94, and NTPC is around 1.33% positive. And top losers in Nifty is around Hindalco minus 3.87%, then Tech Mahindra Infi is around minus 2.94%. Then Cipla minus 2.49 and Apollo Hospital minus 2.14% negative. This is the top gainers and top losers of today. Then sector-wise movement, it's a maximum of red, that is bearish movement we have seen. So maximum of sectors around a red movement. So if you see auto sector alone 0.79% positive movement is given. Other than that, Nifty Bank 0.50 and financial services 0.54% negative, and metal sector is 0.12% positive. Continuously 3 days we are seeing that metal sector is giving a positive movement. So this is the sector-wise movement. Coming to the point of tomorrow's movement, how we can expect. I am expecting if the global market is support. Global market will support, I think, because today I can expect some flat opening or a good gap up opening in US market. So, and also tomorrow if we found Asian market is opening in a bullish mode, so then we can expect our market to be a gap up opening and fill whatever the gap it covered. So nearly I can expect the level it will reach 17,930 and above. Then we can have a rally towards 18,024 to 18,040 level also again can happen. If the global cues are not supporting, then Nifty we can have a look at around 17,750 and 17,630 level, and even 17,540 level also a possible level for Nifty Future if the global cues are not supported. So this is the level for your understanding. If you want to trade with this level, you need to discuss with your investment advisor or wealth managers for your trade, or else you can comment on a comment box. We will be reverting on it. Thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.